Howdy folks. I just thought, well, I've had a few people ask me from India about where I live in the town, so I thought I'd use the drone and give you a little shot of the village I live in. That down there is a walking or cycle track. Just now heading into the centre. The village or town has about 560 people maximum. Now down there is a little village green, although we're in drought so nothing looks green. And today there was just a little car show, so then there it is. There's a mixture of cars of Holden, Land Rover, Jaguar and a few others which I'm not very good at, but they all look lovely. I'm sure they've had a great day. They're really bright colours. I know that one's a Land Rover.
Hold my breath, looking up, life moves in
Oh, I think that, yes, that's a Jaguar, a modern E-Type, I think. Holden, and I think Holden again, and I am not sure what that big brute is. I don't know.
and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then.
That I think is a British Austin Healey or something. Holden Ford. I think that's a big Ford. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little show of the town and what's going on. People seem to have a really lovely day.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so